I'm Rebecca Nunn, designer of Adorned Life, an exclusive line of jewelry findings for Michaels. In this project, we'll be making a bracelet using our bead caps, our jeweled head pins, and a little bit of chain, and teaching you a very simple technique of stacking them. Now let's get to work and have some fun. The tools we'll need for this project are a pair of needle nose pliers, round needle nose pliers, and a pair of cutters. What I love about the chain is that it's fragmented, so it has many different options, and in this case we'll be taking it apart and making the chain that you're seeing on the charm bracelet, and then we'll also make the toggle clasp. Other things that we'll be using are these fabulous bead caps and these jeweled head pins. The first step of making our bracelet is going to be disassembling the chain. And one of the things I love about this chain is it has multiple strands within one, and you can put it all together in different combinations. We're going to be wanting to make a 7-inch strand for our charm bracelet. To open up your jump rings, use your needle nose pliers and pry apart. Then you're going to go ahead and remove all of your strands from the jump ring. Once you've assembled your 7-inch strand, empty out your bead caps and start to position the larger size bead caps down your charm bracelet. You'll start to make a balance and kind of just move the parts and pieces around until you have a design that you like. The next step, you're going to want to use your jeweled head pins and your smaller size bead caps. Go ahead and take the smaller size bead cap and thread it through the jeweled head pin. Then thread it through the larger size bead caps, creating an interesting interior. The next step, you're going to use your nippers and you're going to cut off your excess, approximately that length. Then you're going to go ahead and use your round needle nose pliers to start making a loop that'll end up at the base. This is what we're going to use to attach our bead cap flower onto our charm bracelet. So I'm continuing to do a little loop, as you're seeing here, down into the base. Once you have pre-assembled all your flowers, you're going to start to attach them onto the bracelet. You do this by opening up our loop again and threading the flower onto the chain. To close back up, using your needle nose pliers, move it right back to the base. Once you have your flowers all assembled onto your chain, you're going to make your toggle and your clasp. This is our chain fragment piece that we took off earlier, and it's the smaller size chain. I measured about 2 inches, and now I'm threading it onto my extra linkage, and then I'm going to add it onto the end of my chain. The final step of making your toggle clasp is adding your finishing flower on the other end of your 7-inch strand, using my needle nose pliers to close up that last linkage. And how fabulous is this? My favorite part is wearing it. For this project and other projects, visit the Michaels website or adornedlife.com. I'm Rebecca Nunn. Have fun creating.